What's up, y'all? It's your boy G, Aiea, Hawaii, Aloha. Just wanted to show you guys real quick my computer store, Safari Tech. Buy, sell, and repair Apple devices. As you know, I lost my store, two stores actually, in 2020. And 11 months later, had the opportunity to open up another store at another location, not too far from the original location in Hawaii. So just had to basically put a divider wall up to separate what would be the office and the sales floor. But that's really all the work that I put into this. Just basically got my stuff out of storage and just put everything together, make sure everything is in order and everything works, and we're good to go. So I'll be housing the High Tide business at this same location, so I'll be running two businesses at this address. That way I could save a little bit of money and a little bit of space. So thank you so much for watching. I'll holla at you later. Be blessed. Aloha.